Are you looking for a great deal on a ham radio or maybe a GMRS radio? Prime Day is around the corner. Let's talk about the best deals. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX, right here on Ham Shack TV. Thanks for tuning in. You know, Prime Day is just around the corner, and we've spent weeks digging through Amazon to find you the best deals on ham radio gear. From antennas to transceivers, we've got the inside scoop on which products are actually worth your hard-earned money and which ones to skip. You won't believe the discounts we found on some of your favorite brands. Whether you're setting up your first shack or upgrading your existing gear, these deals could save you hundreds. Stick around, you'll find much you don't want to miss. All right, let's dive in here. Let me get my screen shared here. So we'll start out here. We've got the Retevis RT95. It's a dual band mobile radio, long range, 180-degree rotatable LCD display, mic gain, chirp, DTMF, 2 meter, 70 centimeter, $126. Guys, this Retevis is a pretty good radio. They are also open to doing GMRS. Not endorsing that because it is a Part 97 approved radio, but it is open to do GMRS. You do that at your own risk. But $126 on Amazon. This is the exclusive Prime price. So remember, Amazon Prime Day is July the 8th through the 11th. So you'll be able to get a great deal on that then. I'm not a big fan of TED radios, so I'm going to skip the TED radios. Here's an RT85. This is high. They call it high power, whatever. I wouldn't call it high power per se. 2 meter, 70 centimeter, $38. Let's see here. Retevis. This is a really exciting radio. My buddy Leroy at M&L Radio Technology sells these. This is the Retevis MA1 50-watt dual band ham radio. It does crossband repeat, and it's a mobile transceiver 2-in-1 super heterodyne airband reception, detachable control panel, noise reduction, so on and so forth. I would encourage you to check out M&L Radio Technologies for this, but if you want to take advantage of the Prime special, it is available right here on Amazon. You'll see the link down in the description as well. And that price, you never know, it might come down a little bit more during Prime Day. So please use my link down in the description if you're interested. Again, we got more TED radios. I'm not very fond of TED radios, so I'm going to bypass those. Let's see. Good Lord, they've got Amazon full of TED radios. I wish there was a way to exclude those. Maybe you're interested in the Baofeng. Let's talk about Baofeng. I'll get that pulled up here, add them to my filter. UV22, pretty decent radio. Handheld, two-way. I don't know if this one does. Looks like it does 220. That's interesting. Very nice. This is an upgraded version of the UV5R. Let's see here. VHF, UHF, it does 136 to 400 through 174, and also does 400 to 520. That's to receive. I don't know why I'm seeing 220 on here because it's not saying that it does 220, but pretty good deal for this radio. It is $49.99 on Amazon. You'll see the link down in the description down below. UV5RM. I used to have one of these and had a little accident and hamvention with them, but don't know if this comes with two. It looks like it may come with two radios. These are new GMRS. Let's see what the bands are. It does. It looks like it does ham and GMRS. So VHF, UHF. So there you go on that. This one comes with 2 drop-ins. Comes with 2 earpieces. It's got chirp software, folded antenna, a couple of extra batteries as well. $54.76 there on Amazon. You'll find the link down in the description down below. Let's move on here. Let me see if I can pull in some Icom stuff. How about that? Icom. And you can see you got a IC V86 VHF handheld HT for $146. Only 18 left at stock during this recording. Still coming into Baofeng's here. Here is the Yaesu FT65, $144. An Icom 2730, really cool radio, guys. I really like this one. $345 there on Amazon. 7300, guys. I use a 7300. I'm a really big fan of the 7300. If you might want to get into HF, these 7300s are fantastic on Amazon. Only 10 of them left as of this recording, but there are $1,199.95. Not bad. Marine, we won't get into marine radio. Let's see here. Here's an Anytone 778. Anytone's a great radio. $124. Guys, this is dual band VHF, UHF. It does not do DMR. But you can see, doesn't that look a lot like that radio that was it Retevis we were looking at earlier? There are so many of this same exact radio with different nameplates on it. So don't let the brand name dwell with you. Icom 5100A Deluxe. This is 551.94. Great mobile rig if you're looking for D-Star as well, along with your analog. You can do that there. Here's the Icom hands-free speaker for $39.99. Not bad. Here's a Radioddity DB50 dual band transceiver here. 50 watts, UHF and VHF. You can get that for $250. And let's see, is there anything else? Let's go over to Yaesu and see what Yaesu offerings may be on Amazon. All right. There's an airband radio for $232. Here's a FT70 for $196. These FT70s are very, very popular. Does C4 FM and FDMA, $196.63. Here's an FT60, 5-watt handheld for $182. Tri-band VX6R. Guys, these VX6Rs are extremely, extremely popular radios. I've actually seen a water test on them. They're actually pretty water resistant. So don't. I'm not endorsing you to throw it in the lake or by any stretch of the imagination, but it's quite amazing. These are submersible. Does 2 meters, 220 and 440 for $277. Links down in the description down below. And let's see here. Here's a FT65 for $139. Some of these may sell out, folks, so you might want to jump on them. FT891, guys, we're just kind of off a field day. Maybe you've got the HF fever and you want to get involved in HF. FT891 is a great radio to start with. $779 right here on Amazon. Links down in the description. Actually, guys, there's going to be so many links. So here's what I'm wanting you to do. Make sure you click on the link down in the description that takes you to my Amazon page. This is a great way to help Ham Shack TV. Guys, we're on an upward trajectory, and we need all the help you can get. Use my Amazon link down below, and Ham Shack TV will get the credit for your sale. So that'll certainly help our channel grow a little bit. We appreciate your support. Several of you are very, very loyal. Also, real quick, while we're talking about channel growth, we are on the drive for 10,000 subscribers, and we're right around 1,900 subscribers away. When we do get that 10,000 subscriber, we will have a drawing for an HF radio. You have to complete 3 steps in order to qualify for this HF radio. And some of you that are already subscribed have not completed all the steps. So you need to be doing this. I think right now we only have 200 entries into the drawing. You need to subscribe to the channel, which you can find the subscribe button down here if you're watching on a computer. You also need to join the Discord. And how you do that is go to hamshacktv.com, and in the middle of the page, you see a blue button that says join the Discord. You'll click on that, follow the directions, and that'll get you straight into the Discord. Finally, the last step is you need to subscribe to the Ham Shack TV email newsletter. Guys, I don't spam you. I only send you maybe one email a week. And we also don't sell your information at all. So keep that in mind. But you go to hamshacktv.com, scroll down a good chunk of the page. You'll see a picture of me. I'm actually wearing this exact shirt. and a hat, and I'm standing on the Santa Monica Pier out in California. But right next to that, you'll see a box that you can fill in your email address, and that will have you subscribe to the email newsletter. And sometimes I have special deals in that newsletter. So make sure you complete all 3 of those steps, and that'll get you entered into the drawing. Let's get back to our Amazon stuff here. Scrolling through to see if there's anything else. I've never seen this particular radio before, but an Anytone 588 Max. Says it does 70 watts on VHF. Noise canceling. It uses AI for noise canceling. That's interesting. $155. And just scrolling to see if anything else. Boy, this MA1 keeps showing up. I really like those. And again, the 891's there too. 2980, that's a very popular radio for the mobile. It does 80 watts. This is from Yaesu, $369. And let's see, anything else? Not seeing anything else on the list there. Let's check Kenwood, see if there's any Kenwood stuff. I know Amazon's not really good about having Kenwood stuff, but we'll take a look here. Let's see, Midland, Anytone, Baofeng. Yeah, I don't really see any Kenwood here. Here's I don't even know what that is. Looks like just like an FRS radio or something like that. So all kinds of good stuff here. BTEC, guys. BTEC's great. I've never dealt with BTEC, but I know a lot of folks have. I know Jason over at Ham Radio 2.0 has dealt with BTEC. This is their UV Pro. Pretty cool looking radio here. $164. Does APRS, Bluetooth, GPS, text messaging, aviation band scanner, NOAA weather radio, and USB-C recharge. VHF, UHF. So if you're interested in the BTEC, go ahead and check on that. And it is Bluetooth programmable, so that makes things a lot easier. All right, guys, if you're watching this on Thursday, don't forget tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern time, we will do the Ham Shack TV trading post and roundtable tonight. Where if you got something to buy, sell, or trade, we'll bring you on the show and let you piddle that stuff. But we're also going to talk about Field Day, do a little wrap up, and talk about what all we learned. Fun stories about Field Day. Then we're also going to touch on 13 Colonies. 13 Colonies is a great event that's coming up. It's actually in progress now through, I believe it's July 11th too. So make sure you check out the Ham Shack TV trading post and roundtable tonight at 8 o'clock on Ham Shack TV. Guys, I can't thank you enough for being a loyal subscriber. Super thanks. And channel memberships are available. Click the join button down below, and that'll get you to be a channel member. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX WSCB 693.